Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing from N Dealz. This is going to be a $125 HBA box. I don't typically do the $125 boxes, however, that was all they had and the owner is going on vacation and so they won't be posting any mystery lots for a while, so I wanted to get the order in before he went on vacation. So my first glance when I was doing the unboxing is that it was like a so-so box. There were only 57 items in the box, so I was expecting at first more items since it's almost double the price of the box from their smaller one, but it was the same amount of items as what I typically get, which leaves me, I'll put the cost per item on the screen. I did quickly go through the unboxing because I knew somebody was going to come home and I was going to get interrupted and I just wanted to get it all filmed for you guys. So it might be a little shaky. It is the first official video that's going to be going on my channel using my GoPro because I was filming this whole really long Wholesale Ninjas unboxing and lo and behold, the external hard drive I had purchased off of Amazon was bad, so every time I would try and save the video file, it was corrupted, so I lost like 3 days worth of work. So maybe I'll show that to you guys later. I still have all the raw footage, but I'm gonna go ahead and put that video on pause for now to use this one. I have sold a few of the items that I got in my lot already. I will post what they sold for as I'm showing them in the unboxing. And overall, after looking at some of the sold comps, I found that the box really isn't that bad. Okay, so this is a $125 lot. We're just going to go ahead and get started. I see right away 2 bottles of Vital Proteins Women's Multivitamins. They are still in date. A big bottle of Metamucil, still in date. This sells really well. A giant bottle of Whey Isolate. It has a little bit of package damaging here. It expired actually last month, so I'm going to set this aside. Bernie Sanders toilet paper. Okay. I have a box of Garden of Life Ocean's 3 Healthy Hormones. They expire in December. A box of Preservision A-Reds 2. I know I've sold these before. Still in date. A little bit of box damage. A couple of boxes of Sensodyne. Extra Whitening. Still in date. Anytime I get sensitive toothpaste, I usually save it for myself. Sorry for the change in angle. My GoPro just fell. This is a Body Shop Strawberry Body Butter. Gel Nail Polish Kit. We've got 2 bottles of omega-3 gummies. These are still in date. I guarantee you I will absolutely be keeping these for Jacob because omega-3s are hard to find and his doctor wants him on them. This is a bag of black masks. A couple of bottles of Carlisle Moringa Superfoods. Still in date. We've got at least 2 bottles of them. A bottle of vitamin C. Still in date. Opened. So we'll toss these. The last 2 were still sealed. Got 2 bottles of Imodium Antidiarrheal. Still in date. Some washcloths. Jafra Royal Almond Body Oil. Not real sure what this is. Doesn't even feel full all the way. Conair Shines and Smooths Bristle Hairbrush. Couple bath bombs. Jafra Advanced Hand Sanitizer. Olay Body Conditioner. Another one of the hairbrushes. A rainbow colored wig. Some vitamin D3, still in date. Some fake nail tips. Chapstick, total hydration. Couple bottles of hair growth oil, still in date. Sorry guys, I'm going through this kind of quickly. Absolute Leather perfume. I've sold something like this before. It's a powerful slimming fat burner cream. Just a couple of empty bottles for traveling. Sanitizer and cleaner. I don't really know what this is. Elderberry bottle, still in date. I cannot tell if it's opened or not. I'll check that later. A bottle of raw vitamin C, Garden of Life, still sealed, not expired. Some more elderberry. Okay, some bobo. I have no idea what this is. This might be a, feels like it might be a bra or something. I'll update on the video. Some mini fish oil, also open, throwing it away. Several bottles of this peppermint essential oil. Not expired, but it looks like a generic brand. Some melatonin. I cannot see the expiration date on this. It is wiped off. Some school glue, because that's HBA, right? Save that for Jacob. Another bottle of the Olay. Some anti-cellulite cream. These are generic Amazon brands. Tylenol Rapid Release gel caps. Still in date. There's 2 of them. Jafra Gold Dynamics Recover. It's got sunscreen, so it probably has an expiration date somewhere. Some more of the cellulite cream. Jafra Royal Jelly. So I just wanted to stop the video and talk about the Jafra brand for a quick second. When I was doing the unboxing, I thought it was just like one of those cheap kind of like Shine Wish brands from China or something like that. I had never heard of the brand. Sometimes with different names like that, they end up being cheap products, but I was really excited to learn that Jafra is a really good brand. It's more of a high-end skincare and cosmetics brand. So all the Jafra items I am unboxing are gonna go for a decent amount. I mean, not hundreds, but more than, you know, $10. So I really was excited to learn about this new brand. Okay guys, my camera keeps falling, so I'm just gonna show you. We've got some Jelly Spa. I don't really know what these are, to be honest with you. Here, let's just look in the box. This looks like it's glasses. Yep, they're sunglasses. Lauren Conrad mascara. Some vitamin D drops, still in date. Another Total Hydration. Oh, Roto. I've sold something like this. Eye drops. Hair oil. I'll have to open that up. Another Jafra, open. Some more of this stuff in a bag. All in all, I don't really know that I'm totally satisfied with this box. It was $125. I will have to do some comps to see if it was worth it or not. I have heard that the $75 ones do better, and I think that I could probably, right now, without seeing comps, agree with that. I will post a little bit more about this in the editing process. I'll see you guys later. Bye.